Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on upgrading the RAM and hard drive of your HP all-in-one computer. Before we start, make sure you have the following tools handy: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you perform the upgrade safely and efficiently. To begin, power off your HP AIO and unplug it from the electrical outlet. It's vital to ensure that the device is completely off before you start disassembling. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your computer. Typically, there are around 6 to 8 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove them and place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once all screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel using the plastic spudger. Start at one corner and slowly work your way around to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Be patient, as applying too much force can break the plastic. Now that the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your AIO. First, let's focus on the RAM. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the CPU. If you're replacing existing RAM, gently push down on the clips on either side of the RAM module to release it. If you're adding new RAM, align the notches on the RAM stick with the slot and press down until the clips click into place. Ensure you're using compatible RAM for your specific model. Next, let's move on to the hard drive. If you're upgrading or replacing the hard drive, locate it within the device. You may need to remove additional screws or connectors to access it. Remember, if you're unsure about any step, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experienced technicians can help guide you through the process or perform the upgrade for you. Once you have access to the hard drive, disconnect the SATA cable and power connector. Remove any screws holding the hard drive in place, and gently lift it out. Install your new hard drive by reversing these steps, place it in the bracket, secure it with screws, and reconnect the SATA and power cables. Now that both the RAM and hard drive are upgraded, it's time to reassemble your HP AIO. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring that all clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping them. Before you power on your device, it's essential to clean any dust or debris inside the computer. A can of compressed air works well for this task. If you don't have the tools necessary for cleaning or upgrades, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our service is designed for your convenience: no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech needs. Finally, plug in your HP AIO and power it on. You should see your system recognizing the new RAM and hard drive during boot up. Check the system properties to confirm the upgrades have been successful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Also, keep in mind that we provide quotes before any repair, ensuring transparency in our services. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your HP AIO. Enjoy the enhanced performance and speed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.